Whisked from the vault of silence, they haunt the skies, the enigmatic black helicopters. Silent sentinels or phantoms of a hidden syndicate? Birthed in the shadows of the 70s, they've become icons of lurking conspiracies. Whispered accounts of inexplicable maneuvers hint at hidden hands of power. Eclipsed in mystery, they ride the dusk, specters in a covert ballet above. Their silhouettes etch tales of intrigue into the annals of the night. These blackened chariots, unmarked, unfathomed. Are they the architects of an unseen dominion? Puppeteers of the grand design? Join us as we unravel this tapestry of secrecy. Subscribe, delve into the abyss, and emerge enlightened with the whispered truths of history's silent watchers.